So, the Google Pixel 9a is expected to follow in the footsteps of its predecessor, the Pixel 8a, with minimal changes to its display design. A recent leak indicates that the device will retain its thick bezels, a design choice that helped keep the Pixel 8a's price below $499. With an 81.6% screen-to-body ratio, the previous model fell short compared to premium devices like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Pixel 9a appears to continue this trend, with only slight refinements. According to a leak from Evan Blass, reported by 9to5 Google, the Pixel 9a will maintain the substantial bezels seen on the Pixel 8a, but with better symmetry. The bottom bezel, commonly referred to as the chin, was previously larger than the top bezel. However, this imbalance seems to have been addressed in the new model. Additionally, the screen size is expected to increase slightly, from 6.1 inches to 6.3 inches, which could make the bezels appear less obtrusive. Beyond these refinements, the leaked image does not reveal much else. The front-facing camera cutout could be marginally larger, and visible antenna lines run along the right edge of the device. The display continues to showcase Google's signature swirling petals wallpaper, suggesting no major UI changes are expected until the Pixel 10 arrives later in the year. While the front design remains largely unchanged, the back of the Pixel 9a is rumored to undergo a notable redesign. Unlike previous A-series models that featured a horizontal camera bar, the Pixel 9a might sport an oval-shaped camera module on the left side. This shift would align its design language more closely with the upcoming Pixel 9 flagship series. On the hardware side, reports suggest the Pixel 9a will be powered by Google's Tensor G4 processor, alongside 8GB of RAM and a 5100 mAh battery. Camera upgrades are also anticipated, with a new 48-megapixel primary sensor likely to be included. Despite these enhancements, Google is expected to retain the $499 price tag. Additionally, early adopters may receive promotional perks, such as 3 months of YouTube Premium, 6 months of Fitbit Premium, and a Google One trial. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 9a? Drop your opinions in the comments below. And as always, I'll catch you in my next video.